Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to iron a suit. First, ensure you have all your tools ready: a clean iron, a sturdy ironing board, and a spray bottle filled with water. Next, always check your suit's care label to understand the fabric type and the appropriate iron temperature. Finally, remember to use a pressing cloth. This simple step is crucial for protecting your suit's delicate material from direct heat and potential shine marks. Now, let's tackle the jacket. Start with the lapels and collar, pressing them from the outer edges towards the center. For the sleeves, a sleeve board is incredibly helpful to prevent unwanted creases. Iron them carefully. Then, move to the main body of the jacket, using smooth, consistent strokes. Always lift and place the iron rather than sliding it back and forth to avoid stretching the fabric. Moving on to the trousers, lay them flat on your ironing board, carefully aligning the seams to establish a sharp crease. Begin by ironing the waistband and any pockets, ensuring they are smooth. Then, focus on the legs. Press each leg individually, working from the top down, maintaining that crisp crease. Take your time to ensure both the front and back of each leg are perfectly smooth and wrinkle-free. Once your suit is perfectly ironed, the final steps are just as important. Immediately hang the suit on a good quality hanger to let it set and prevent any new wrinkles from forming. It's also crucial to allow the suit to cool down completely before you wear it or put it away in your closet. This helps the fabric retain its shape and crispness. And speaking of quality, if you're looking for socks that last, check out the Darn Tough link in the description, along with other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.